Hello everyone, welcome back to another great episode of Raihana's Cuisines. Today I'm bringing you some stuffed dates, which I had so much fun making. Just want to show you here. This is what we're going to be making today. I'm going to be doing a bunch of videos this month from Oman. You know what you want to see. Do you want to see what's in my cupboard? Do you want to go grocery shopping with me? Do you? Just let me know and I'll do it. I am back. I've had a tough couple of years with my health and also family health. I mean, if you make something, I would love to see it, snap a picture and just tag Raihana's Cuisines on there. Mahi Ramadan Mubarak to each and every one of you. So now let's get started. Let's get started with the ingredient list here. Some fun things here that you can use. I'll give you some ideas. Number one, we're gonna need the savian. Okay, these are the fine sale, and it comes in a packet like this. If you can get a hold of the Hemani brand, use the Hemani brand. Now, in Oman, you get all sorts of dates, but I have to tell you, you can get the most expensive dates to the most cheapest dates, like 6 riyals. Now, when I say 6 riyals, 6 riyals, if you're in Canada, you should do times 4 and you're gonna come up with the amount. So this would be $24 in Canada. In the US, it's 2.5. So you would do 6 times 2.5. Okay, you do the math. I did these are very good quality dates. So dates are expensive here, depending on the quality that you use. For the ones that I'm just doing, the bite-sized ones, I'm gonna be using, again, this dates. These were 98 pesos, which is, again, if you did it Canadian, it would be $4, and for American, it would be $2.50. So this goes a long way. All right, what else are we gonna use? Savian is super cheap. It's like 15 pesos or something like that, which is in cents, you know, if you were to convert it. Other thing is we're gonna be using slivered pistachios. Now, you can use crushed pistachios if you like. Desiccated coconut here. I've got slivered almonds here, cardamom powder. I'm also going to be doing these masala ones, which has got like a little bit of sopari in it, a little bit of all this. So this is thank you to Sabir Auntie. Sabir Somji, thank you. You are in my video today. She made it and she gave us some. So I brought it and I thought it would be a great idea. They sell this at the Mina Bazaar in Dubai. So, and then I also bought some rose petals. I'm gonna have some condensed milk because we're making different flavors, right? I also grabbed some of this. I want to try it. Never tried it. I'm going to be using the biscoff brand as well. This is the pistachio. Cream of the hazelnut filling. So, and I forgot butter. You're going to need some butter. If you have some ghee, use ghee. So let's go ahead to the stove and I'm going to show you how we're going to do this. We're going to add less than a tablespoon of butter. Now, if you had ghee, use ghee. Ghee is going to give it a really nice nutty flavor. Okay, we're gonna let this melt. We're gonna add that in there. Now you just want to cook this up for about 2-3 minutes until it's really nice and crispy. And you know that I'm gonna get it off the stove. Now, this is the way I do it, okay? By the way, I miss my kiddos when they were recording me. Really miss you guys. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add a little bit of the condensed milk in it. There's no measurement for this. The also reason why I took it off the stove is because I don't wanna cook the condensed milk. I'm gonna add just a little more, just a little more. Now it makes a lot of difference. Also the pots that I use at home, this one is still super hot. It's still cooking. So thank God I took it off the stove. At this point, this mixture is ready. Now I'm gonna go ahead, transfer it to the bowls, and then we're gonna have fun and add the different flavorings in there. Pistachio. So I'm gonna add my pistachio cream in here. Now there's no measurement for this, okay? It's gonna be the hazelnut one, like this is gonna be biscoff. Now I'm sure Mariam is, if she's watching this, my daughter-in-law, she's probably just salivating because she loves biscoff. And I also have two beautiful granddaughters now, and their names, the first one, she just turned 4. Her name is Liana, and second one is Amira. She was born on my birthday last year, December 24th, so we share a birthday together. So I'm a grandma, and I love every moment of it. Okay, so that's my biscoff. I'm gonna do the crunchy one. I don't know how that's gonna turn out, but we'll see. The last one here, I saved it for the plain one. So I'm just gonna add a little bit more condensed milk in it. And the reason is because I kind of want to soften it up a little bit. I don't want it to be super hard. Put some cardamom powder in here. That's totally optional, but they are all different. So this is why I kind of wanted to. Oh, it smells so good here with the cardamom. In here, I'm also going to add a little bit of my desiccated coconut. That's ready. Okay, and then we're also going to put in the masala. Remember that I told you the mouth freshener? I have a video of that. You can add stuff in there. To make this gooey, you want to add the gulkan. Gulkan is like rose petals mixed with sugar and stuff, so that makes it super sticky, which is great because we can stuff this really well. Now let's go ahead and stuff these. Go ahead and prepare our dates, the one that we're going to use for filling. I honestly found it very easy to kind of just take a kitchen shears and just split it in half. And then you're gonna get a seed inside. We're gonna remove the seed and just open it up just a little bit like that. I'm gonna open one up like this. And we're gonna start off with using just the regular condensed milk one. And I'm just gonna hold it and I'm gonna stuff it just like this. Okay, so I'm just finishing up on the last mouth freshener, sopari, masalo mixture. So I did the rolls here and I just did them differently. I just wanted to show you, this would be a great gift idea. Before I cut it, I thought I'd show you. So I repurposed everything. Like this turned out. I want you to take a look at this. Look at that. Just so many different kinds that I did. I'll take a close-up picture and post that as well. Look at that. It's just gorgeous. Just for decoration purposes, I am going to just add a little bit more of my rose petals on there, and then I also have some rose buds that I'm gonna add on there. I think they just are gonna look super pretty. So basically today we did stuffed dates. Check out my recipe for the date bites. Thank you so much for joining me on this episode of Raihana's Cuisines. Hope you can join me here next time with another great video.